but powerful.
Have you heard the news? It's spreading like wildfire. Aqua has arrived. The girls you admire. I'm a perfect little princess, always giving my all and nothing less.
One thing is for sure, and two things are for certain. That we the best at what we do, and we nothing less than perfect. If you disagree, well that's okay, cause we believe in us. Within our team, we got the skill, we got the pride, we got the trust.
Trust that we can do it together. Yeah, we're a little but cuteness isn't everything. While you putting on lip gloss, I'm out here earning rings. These KC gay girls are taking it up a notch. It's the show of a lifetime. Sit down, you better watch.
What you gotta say about AQUA? So hot in every way, all night, all day.